Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited you're here today because we're diving into a super quick and easy recipe that's perfect for brightening up your breakfast or dessert. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on all my weekly recipes that will make cooking a breeze. Today, we're making a delicious blueberry sauce that's not only easy to whip up, but also bursting with flavor. All right, let's get into it. For this recipe, you'll need 2 cups of fresh or frozen blueberries, a half cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and a tablespoon of cornstarch mixed with 2 tablespoons of water. That's it. Simple, right? Now, the first step is to toss your blueberries into a medium saucepan. If you're using frozen blueberries, no need to thaw them. They'll work just as well. Add in that sugar and lemon juice and give it a little stir. We want those blueberries to start releasing their juices. Next, let's turn on the heat to medium and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. You'll see the blueberries start to soften and get all juicy. Now here's where the magic happens. Mix your cornstarch and water together until it's smooth, then pour it into your blueberry mixture. Stir it up and watch as it thickens right before your eyes. After about another minute, you'll have this luscious, vibrant blueberry sauce that's perfect over pancakes, yogurt, or even ice cream. So yummy! Thanks for stopping by today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, share, and subscribe for more fun and easy cooking ideas. I can't wait to see you next time.